Hi guys, I'm Elephant. Make sure nice to see you. It's if you guys want to see more facts about more stuff about my Animal Land TV. We had an old episode about how Jackal doesn't know how to act. But when you are guys clicking that like and subscribe. So, for more educationals, I got more stuff in Animal Land, and I have a trunk. Well, yeah, a trunk. And I have feet and I stomp. And big fan ears and a one eye, two eyes. And I have hair. And that's it. Welcome to the Animal Land Show. I just don't have any responses to tell you, or let me know in your comment section below. It's pretty so much fun. I am an elephant. Oh, I forgot to show you the tail. The tail's kind of hard to see. Yeah. I'm recording, guys. See? Look at my big ears. I'm the biggest elephant. You haven't seen just the animals for yet, but an elephant makes a purr. What? Yeah. Especially my mom and my dad. Well, we have special news, and my bud is here for Tortoise. Wait, where's Tortoise? Over here, elephant, back here. Oh, there you are, twins. Well, we have buds, right? Of course, let me take you. See, we always have buds. And now now let me know in the comment section below. And put your comment. If you want to see more fun facts about the other animals, just click here and subscribe and turn off these notifications. Like I said. But why did you guys not click the like and you guys didn't say nothing? I heard one lady said, Happy Wheels, that these stairs are going too long. Come on. You still haven't put your comment section. Well, go ahead. Well, guys. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't need to say it like that. Rude. But thank you for watching. Make sure you go into SpongeBob and the internet. It's totally so good. Until next time. Later, hot potatoes.